Hi guys, have a nice day. First of all, special thanks to Emertex who gave me the chance to do this project. Today there is going to be an explanation about my project in microwave oven embedded system using C. These are the contents we are going to discuss in this video. Here we go. There is an general introduction about microwave oven. Generally, microwave oven is used to heat and cook foods using electromagnetic radiations. Microwave oven heats food by passing microwave radiations through it. Microwave cooks by using a beam of energy coming out of magnetron. This beam is deflected by a rotating plate. This beam will not go everywhere inside the oven. Therefore, rotating the food gives it better chance to cook the food evenly. Now we can see the block diagram. I am just going to explain the major things in the block diagram. First, we can see the high voltage transformer. Unlike any other households, the microwave oven uses more power. To accomplish this, we use a step-up transformer in the microwave oven. The step-up transformer converts 240 voltage to few thousand voltage, which is fed to the magnetron. Now let's see the important component in the microwave oven, which is magnetron. The magnetron is nothing but just a high-powered vacuum tube that transforms the electrical energy into long-range microwave radiation. Here comes the microcontroller, which is the heart of the embedded system. There are many types of microcontroller. A microcontroller is something that enables communication between a user and a machine. It is a controlling unit that contains one or more processor cores along with memory and programmable input-output peripheral. It processes the user instruction and displays them on the 7-segment LCD which is available in the microcontroller. And a cooling fan is also used to reduce the magnetron's operating temperature. The software used in this project are MPLAB and SIMLAB. MPLAB supports editing, debugging, and programming of microchip 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32-bit PIC controller. And PIC is a real-time emulator of development boards with integrated MPLAB debugger. Now comes the main event, working. Working is just simple in the microwave oven. The process of heating food in this microwave oven is fairly simple. We discussed about the magnetron in the previous slide, so we can go straight forward to the working. In the magnetron, the waves are generated that are called microwaves. That microwaves are then transferred to the food inside the cavity. Microwave penetrates the food surface and reach the water molecules inside it. Every food material have dipole molecules and have a positive charge in one side and negative charge in another side. These charges are changed or rearranged when we apply electromagnetic field. Due to this process, friction is produced and heat is produced due to the friction. There is an interesting property in this that microwave are not observed by the plastic, glass and ceramics, but microwave are reflected by the metals. So when we keep the metal inside the microwave, it produces spark or it may be burst. The food inside the microwave oven loses the most of the moisture of the food. Microwave oven comes with the door switch that does not allow the process to initiate until the door is completely sealed. This is for a safety reason. If the door is not closed properly or not sealed, it may have a chance to burst. Now we can jump onto the program and simulation. Here is the program. Yeah, it can't be shown in this video. It's too big. So we can straight away debug. It was successful and completed. So we are going to load the hex file in the simulator. Now we can see the screen which shows the four modes. um, Micro grill convection start. If we want to select micro mode, then we can press 1 and it shows the power supply. um, Here we can set any number if we want. Set number. If we want to clear, we can press the star. Now it's clear. I'm keeping here 5 seconds, then I'm entering it by pressing hashtag. It starts, the fan starts to run, the heater starts to run. After 5 seconds, the cooking time up. Now it's came to the original display. The same process is followed in the grill mode also. If we want to start or resume, we can press the 4. If we want to pause, we can press 5. If we want to stop totally, we can press 6. Then we can open the microwave oven. It's similar for all modes, the process. There is a certain temperature, so we can't increase the temperature as much as we want. So there is a limit. So it's because of the safety and according to the microwave oven. Now we came to the applications. Here first, um, microwave can be used in the many ways. Here are some of the examples. Radio astronomy, heating and power applications, security. We can use this also as a motion detector. These are the some of the examples of the microwave. Cooking time is short. Destruction of nutrition is less. These things are just a common things. No physical change of food. Melting process is easy, etc. However, it may have advantages. There is also a disadvantages. Heat force control is difficult. Water evaporation is more. Closed container is dangerous because it may burst. Surface toasting is impossible. Once again, thank you everyone for this opportunity. Let us see in another project. Until then, bye.